Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. I just wanted to go over your assignment for today. It is in the Searching for the Titanic folder as we've been working in. So if you click on that, excuse me, and then you'll see this scope activity, how to use text. And I like to click down here and click View. And that will open it in a separate page. We've talked a lot about using text evidence. When you write about something you read, you need to use text evidence, that is, details from the text to support the points you are making. You can use text evidence in the form of a direct quotation, which is the author's exact words, or a paraphrase, which is a restatement of what the author wrote. You're basically putting it into your own words. You also need to explain why that text evidence is relevant. I call that the so what. Okay. So, some tips for using text evidence. One, a quote or paraphrase. When using a direct quote, copy down the exact words from a sentence, surround the direct quotation with quotation marks. To paraphrase it, put something written or spoken by someone else into your own words. You don't change the meaning of what the other person wrote or said, just the wording. A paraphrase is not surrounded by quotation marks. 2, make it clear where your evidence comes from. Identify who wrote or said what you are quoting or paraphrasing. This is called citing your source. Include a page number. And that's not something that I'm going to expect you to do right now, writing a page number. But as you get older, your teachers will probably require you to do that. And then there's some words to help you. There's a lot there. Just choose a couple that you think would be pretty good. So, according to the author, is a good one. We've used that a few times. The author states is another good one. So maybe just use those two to when you're paraphrasing, or even if you're quoting. 3, explain why your text evidence is relevant. That's the so what. Include a sentence that makes it clear how the text evidence supports your idea. Reread the information you quoted or paraphrased and ask yourself, so what? So words to help you. Again, they give you some words. A good one is this proves that. This proves that. Malala was a very determined young woman. If you go back to the article that we read called "Out of the Death Zone." So once you go over that, or just go over it with me watching this video, go back into the Searching for the Titanic folder, and then go down to the text evidence assignment. Click on that. And this is a Google assignment. So mine looks different, okay? Yours might just pop up here, or it'll say My Document. Click on My Document, and it will open inside this window. It makes it very small. So one of the things you can do is over to this side of the screen, you'll see a button that says Edit, Submit, and then Edit. If you click Edit, it will open it in a large screen like I have right now. And again, to make this larger, right next to the magnifying glass, click the down arrow and do about 100%. And then just read the directions and answer the questions. To choose your answer, you're gonna drag the check mark out of here into the one that you think it is for each question. Okay, and there's about 5 pages. Some of these will ask you to explain why you chose your answer or why you didn't choose an answer. So make sure you write and type into those boxes. And then at the very end, it asks you to write a paragraph explaining how Ballard was able to locate the Titanic. And then it tells you what to expect, and you can go ahead and type that. Okay. Once you're finished, go back to your page. And again, over here, you'll see the submit button. Click submit, and that will send it to me. There's no reason to copy make a copy of this assignment, because that's why I put it in Schoology. It makes your own copy for you. Okay, and that is your assignment. When you're finished with that, make sure you go back and if you're not done with your quiz, you complete your quiz. Make sure everything's caught up in the searching for the Titanic folder. And then there was also Is It Wrong to Quit? That has its own folder. Make sure you read that article and answer the questions. After that, you can read an article on your own. Have a great day.